Every day, artificial intelligence shapes our lives, suggesting music, navigating traffic, translating conversations. But behind every digital interaction lies a vast physical world, the data center. These sprawling facilities are the true engines of our digital age, filled with thousands of servers working around the clock. When you upload a photo or ask a smart assistant a question, your request travels to these digital cities, where powerful processors handle it in milliseconds. Our digital future depends on these unseen engines, quietly powering the AI revolution. The scale of data center expansion is staggering. Global capacity is set to more than double in just a few years. We're adding more computing power every few months than existed worldwide a decade ago. This surge is fueled by a tidal wave of data from smartphones, smart homes, industry, and research. Tech giants are investing tens of billions annually, with global data center spending projected to approach $1 trillion by 2030. Hyperscale data centers, massive facilities consuming as much power as small cities, are rising everywhere. These investments aren't speculative. They're a response to relentless demand for digital services and AI. Every new app, device, and cloud migration adds pressure, driving continuous, massive investment. The technology inside is just as impressive. High-end AI servers costing tens of thousands each, with data centers housing thousands of them. The financial commitment reflects the strategic importance of computational power. We're witnessing a global arms race for data and AI infrastructure. The data center is the new battlefield, and the stakes have never been higher. The future belongs to those who can build, fill, and power these digital fortresses. Artificial intelligence is the main force behind the data center boom. Initially, the focus was on training AI models, feeding them vast data to learn patterns, a process demanding enormous compute power. But now, the spotlight is shifting to inference, using trained models to make real-time predictions and generate content. Inference powers everything from AI assistants to medical scans, and its volume is set to explode. Experts predict inference will soon make up the vast majority of AI workloads. Unlike training, inference is unpredictable and demands instant responses, requiring a new kind of infrastructure: distributed, responsive, and always on. This is driving the rise of smaller, regional data centers to complement massive hyperscale facilities. The demand for computation is now a permanent, ever-growing baseline. As AI integrates into more aspects of life, the number of inference tasks will skyrocket. Each task, no matter how small, adds to the global load. The AI boom and the data center boom are inseparable. One fuels the other. Our world's intelligence now depends on this invisible, ever-expanding infrastructure. The future of AI is being built, one data center at a time. The explosive growth of data centers comes with a huge appetite for electricity. These facilities are among the world's most power-hungry, with cooling alone consuming up to 40% of their energy. As AI chips get more powerful, energy demand is skyrocketing, straining grids worldwide. Data centers already use 2 to 3% of global electricity. Projections suggest this could reach 10% or more by 2030. In some regions, data centers consume a significant share of local power, forcing utilities to pause new connections. This energy bottleneck is now a major constraint on AI's growth. The industry is racing to build new power sources, solar, wind, even small nuclear reactors, to keep up. Tech giants are pledging 100% renewable energy, becoming major buyers of wind and solar. But renewables are intermittent, so innovation in energy storage and next-gen power is critical. The future of AI depends on solving the data center energy puzzle. As AI demands grow, the way companies use the cloud is evolving into the era of the hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud blends private infrastructure with public cloud services, offering flexibility, scalability, and security. Sensitive data stays on private systems, while public clouds handle less sensitive, high-volume tasks like AI training. This approach balances control and innovation, letting organizations manage costs and resilience. For AI, it means using public cloud for massive training jobs, then running inference on private infrastructure closer to users. The hybrid trend is reshaping the data center market, driving demand for both hyperscale and co-location facilities. These centers offer security, reliable power, and high-speed connectivity for private clouds. Cloud 3.0 marks a shift from one-size-fits-all to customized IT strategies. Organizations can now build the ideal environment for their needs, crucial in the AI era. The hybrid model is the foundation for the next wave of digital innovation. Governments recognize the strategic importance of data centers and AI. The US and UK are leading the charge, investing heavily in digital infrastructure. In the US, regions like Northern Virginia are global data center hubs, with tech giants pouring in billions. These investments are about more than business. They're matters of national security and economic strength. Sovereign AI is rising, with nations seeking control over their own AI and data infrastructure. The UK is following suit, with London and the M4 corridor emerging as tech powerhouses. Major public and private investments are fueling new data center campuses and supercomputers. Upgrading utility infrastructure is a top priority, with billions going into new transmission lines and substations. These moves show that computational power is now a key measure of national strength. The race for AI dominance is as much about infrastructure as it is about algorithms. The data center boom and hybrid cloud shift are about building a resilient, secure digital foundation. Distributing resources across regions reduces the risk of outages and ensures continuity. Hybrid cloud lets organizations keep sensitive data secure while leveraging public cloud innovation. Modern data centers are physical fortresses with advanced security and constant surveillance. Robust infrastructure attracts investment, fosters innovation, and creates high-value jobs. Advanced data centers enable rapid development and deployment of AI-powered services. High-speed, low-latency networks are essential for complex AI workloads. Investing in next-gen infrastructure supports today's digital services and tomorrow's AI breakthroughs. This foundation is key to economic growth and technological leadership. We're laying the groundwork for a future powered by resilient, intelligent infrastructure. The path to an AI-powered future is filled with challenges. The biggest constraint is electricity. Data center demand is outpacing grid capacity, delaying projects. Finding suitable land near power and fiber is tough, especially in urban areas. Community opposition and complex permitting slow construction even further. Environmental concerns are mounting. Many grids still rely on fossil fuels and older cooling systems use vast amounts of water. The industry is working on sustainable cooling and renewable energy, but progress is uneven. Supply chain issues for high-performance GPUs and networking gear create long lead times and high costs. These bottlenecks, power, land, public acceptance, equipment, are major obstacles to AI's growth. Overcoming them is essential to realizing the full potential of the AI revolution. The future depends on solving these infrastructure puzzles. Data centers are the silent engines driving the AI revolution. Their explosive growth reflects our shift to a world powered by both human and artificial intelligence. Once a niche concern, data centers are now central to economic competitiveness and national security. The hybrid cloud model blends security and scale, helping organizations meet the demands of the AI era. But this progress brings challenges: energy use, environmental impact, and construction bottlenecks. Sustainable solutions in energy and efficient computing are as vital as AI innovation itself. We're building a new global infrastructure, as fundamental as the electrical grid was a century ago. Success will require investment, engineering, and responsible stewardship. Data centers are more than buildings. They're a testament to our ambition and ingenuity. Our future depends on building and operating them wisely.